Welcome to today's educational video on filtering integers from a mixed list in Python. Sometimes, when working with lists in Python, we may need to separate integers from other data types, such as strings. In this video, we will learn how to create a Python function that can help with that. Create a function in Python that takes a list of integers and strings and returns a new list with the strings filtered out. And this is a simple solution. Let's break down the code step by step. First, we define a function called filter_integers that takes in a parameter called input_list. This function will return a new list containing only the integers. Inside the function, we create an empty list called result_list. This list will store the filtered integers. Next, we use a for loop to iterate over each element in the input_list. Inside the loop, we use the type function to check if the current element is an integer. The type function returns the type of the item. If it matches the int type, it means the item is an integer. If the element is indeed an integer, we append it to the result_list. Finally, we return the result_list containing the filtered integers. Now that we have our function ready, let's test it with an example. In this example, we have a list that contains a mixture of integers and strings. We pass this list as an argument to our filter_list function. And when we run this code, the output will be 1, 3, 5. This means that the function successfully filtered out the strings, giving us a list of integers only. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more Python tutorials, and leave any questions or comments in the section below. Keep coding, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.